Hey everyone, this is Neeraj, and you're watching ECE Researcher. If your face has been looking dull, tired, or losing its glow, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing the worst habits that secretly kill your face glow. Let's start. Habit 1. Sleeping late. Sleeping late disturbs your skin repair cycle, causes dullness and dark circles. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Habit 2. Not drinking enough water. Low hydration. Dry, lifeless skin. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters daily. Habit 3. Touching your face. Too much. Hands carry dirt and bacteria. Leads to acne and dull skin. Avoid touching your face. Habit 4. Washing your face too often. Overwashing removes natural oils. Skin becomes dull and dry. Wash only twice a day. Habit 5. Skipping sunscreen. Sun damage reduces glow and causes pigmentation. Use SPF 30+ daily, even indoors. Habit 6. Junk food addiction. Oily and sugary foods trigger acne. Eat fruits, veggies, nuts, and homemade food. Habit 7. Being too stressed. Stress increases cortisol, dull skin. Practice meditation, exercise, or walking. Habit 8. Dirty pillowcase and phone screen. Dirty pillow. Pimples. Dirty phone. Cheek acne. Change pillow weekly. Clean phone daily. Habit 9. Using too many products. Too many products damage your skin barrier. Keep it simple. Cleanser, plus moisturizer, plus sunscreen. So these were the habits killing your face glow. Fix them, and you will see results in just 2 to 3 weeks. This is Neeraj from ECE Researcher, signing off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.